GK Kids!
Happy day for me. I wake up early in the morning. Sunshine says hello to me. Birds are singing sweet, sweet songs. Flowers smile so happily. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Put my shoes on, tie the lace. Mom says eat your food, my dear. I smile wide and say okay.